Now we'll show you how to cut a Toyota key by code. We'll select Vehicles, press T for Toyota, press Next, Camry, 50,000 code series. We'll press Next, and then press Codes, and then we'll put in our code. Press Next, shows our cuts. We'll press Next, and then it shows how we want to install the key into the jaw. Close the shield, press Cut. Shows again how the key should be installed. We'll press OK. And remove the tip stop, press OK. Okay, we'll go ahead and clean the key off, take it out and flip it. Close the shield and press OK. And remove the tip stop, OK. Yep, there's our key.